Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be testing out a quick test to, I don't want to say this, but I want to destroy the wasp nest that has been built outside my front door as well as my back door. It's small right now, so I just want to destroy it right now because it's on top of the door, so I don't want to get bitten by those wasps. So that's the reason I'm testing this out. And my mom did this test last year, but I didn't really see it clear properly. So I'm going to be testing out this time and see if it works or not. So I've already put a few drops of the peppermint that was already available at my house. And then also the Dawn dishwashing liquid detergent that I already had. So I just mixed a little bit of it each. I mean, a lot of the Dawn and then just a few drops of the peppermint for the scent, because I think the scent is the main ingredient that is going to repel, right, for them to come to my house and make their house. So I know I feel bad, but at the same time I have to protect myself and my dogs. So yeah, so this is a mixture. So I've just made it and I'm going to spray it outside and I'll show you guys and also give you a review. Maybe I'll wait until like tomorrow if they come back or not, because I know the last time I destroyed with water and they came back again, like the right next, not even next day, like right in a few hours. So I want to see, watch out, and then give you guys update. All right, let's do this. Okay, if you guys can see there, it's right there. Oh my God, that looks big right now when I zoomed in, but when I zoom out, it's not that big. It's very small, but yeah. Anyways, I have to protect myself. And if you guys don't have this the sprayer or whatever you want to call, it's very cheap and then you can get it anywhere. You can also order from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description if that helps. Otherwise, you can also go to Lowe's or Home Depot, anywhere to buy this. I think the last time I bought this was $15 or so. I don't remember. It's been a few years, but this is very good. I mean, you just have to I don't know if you guys know how to use this, but it's very simple. You just have to lock it and then just pull this and then just pump it to create that, what do you call that? Pressure, right? It's similar to pressure cooker, and then it creates a pressure. And then this here, you just have to, oops, this is the handle. And you just gotta squeeze it and then the liquid comes out of the sprays, out of that thing here because of the pressure, right? So yeah. All right, so let me go and spray this outside at my backyard first, and yeah. And you'll know, like, you'll feel it when it's like high pressure. It's going to like block you or stop you, kind of like it'll be tough for you. So don't force yourself. I'll just leave it like that as of now. So yeah, I have created the pressure. Now let's go outside and spray it. So I did spray, and as you can see, they're hovering around, but it was very difficult for me to like hold it as well as record it. So I'm just gonna spray a little more and then let you guys know. But you can see like some of them were flying and then they were trying to like attack me. Yeah, oops, yeah, right there. I just want to say something about this sprayer here, that if you want to like how do you say that, spray it, just drizzle it, like spraying it, you just have to twist this. And then if you want to spray like in a pointing out or forcefully or like one direction kind of thing, you just have to twist it. Okay, you just have to play around, and then you'll know, like, if it's like this, then it's gonna go like just one direction. That way it's like you're aiming to that, right? Because it's kind of far away. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out for whoever they don't know how to use this. Anyways, so I'm at my front door right now, so I'll show you guys where they are located. Okay, they're right there, if you can see. So I'm gonna spray and they're gonna run away, but I have to close the door. So I think I'm just gonna spray and then share with you guys. As you can see, there's a lot. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I spread everywhere. Now I'll wait for a few hours to check if they're gonna be back or not. I hope not, but yeah. Okay, so this is after a couple of weeks, and the bees are no longer at their nest, and it's still there, but they're not here, which is amazing. And that's the one at the back door, and the bees are no longer there. So that proves that I think the DIY worked. Yep.